Hello guys, I'm back again and we're still on quadrilaterals and their properties, but today we're going to be talking about rhombus. What is a rhombus? Rhombus is a parallelogram which has all its four sides equal. Now let's see how to make a rhombus. You have your rectangular piece of paper folded the way you see me folding it. Now you mark a point on this right side, the folded side, near the top but not at the top. Rule it to form a sort of diagonal line. Cut that off, open it up, and there you have your rhombus. Very good, very good. That is how you make it. Now let's measure it. You see, that is 12 centimeter, that is 12 centimeter, that is 12 centimeter, yes, and the last side is 12 centimeter. Good. You have a rhombus which has all sides equal. Let's measure the diagonals. That is 15.5 centimeter, that is 17.5 centimeter. Now the diagonals are not equal, but they do bisect each other. Very good. Now also the angles at the intersect are all right angles. Now let's check the lines of symmetry. Yeah, that's two lines of symmetry right there. No, that does not work. That does not work. No, that doesn't work. So just two lines of symmetry. Let's check its rotational symmetry. Notice the way it is bended. It's bended to the right side. So when we turn it, no. Okay, let's turn it again. Yes, that's one. Turn again. No. Turn again. Yes, that's two orders. It has rotational symmetry of order 2. Now let's move to the other things that we have to see. All right, so these are the properties. All sides are equal in length. Opposite sides are parallel like you saw. AB is parallel to BC. BC is parallel to AD. Next, opposite angles are equal in size. As you can see, angle B is equal to angle D, angle A equals angle C. Diagonals intersect at right angles. We saw that in the video. Next, a rhombus has two lines of symmetry, as we saw in the video, and it also has rotational symmetry of order 2. And that is it about a rhombus. Make sure you practice all you saw me do in the video for better understanding. See you next time.